Hey everybody, welcome to part 2 of the HU162 9-cut Lishi. So last video we picked and decoded the lock, and this video I'm going to show you how to take that information and actually convert it into bidding for a working key. So the data that we got out of the lock here, I'm reading the side cuts before picking. We got 60, 60, 60. After picking, 60, 60, 30. And then we got 4, 1, 1, 3, 4, 1 on our bidding on our A axis. So we're going to go into the X-Force app here and hit cut by bidding, HU162 9-cut, and we're going to actually hit all keys lost here. That's going to bring us to our calculator, and we're going to just enter our data. So 4, 1, 1, 3, 4, 1, and then our side cuts. Before picking we had 60, 60, 60. After picking 60, 60, and 30. And we hit OK, and we're going to hit calculate. And that actually gives us the information that we need for a working key. So with that, we can just hit complete. And now the key machine is ready to cut. So it's going to tell us, put the key in and tip position number 3 on the B clamp. So we'll spin over here, and we will do just that. So line number 3. So we'll tighten it in there, and we will go ahead and cut the key. All right, so there's the first side. And I will cut the second side here. All right, so now we're going to cut the side cuts. And still using line number 3, but the key actually goes in on its side. And I'm going to jump into the app here, and we're going to change it to the B axis. All right, now we've got one more side to cut, and then we should have a working key. All right, I'm going to jump back in the app here and change it to the C axis. All right, so now on the truth here, we'll go and test our key here, make sure that it works. And these keys will only insert in one way because of those side cuts. So if you have trouble, I'm going to put it in backwards here to start. See, it's not going to go in all the way. It's the right way. It will go in all the way. And we have a perfectly working key. So that is how you use the HU162 Lishi to pick and decode a lock and then convert it and cut the key. And just one other, I guess just a side note too, on the side cuts, the number 1 cut is actually the deepest cut, and the number 4 is actually the shallowest. So our bidding on this one here, we get into focus here. So we have 4 right there being the shallowest. So 3, 2, 4, and then the long channel there is actually a 1 cut. If you look at an 8-cut key, it's just a 1 cut all the way down it, and you see that that the 1 is the deepest cut. So that probably doesn't interest anybody, but you never know. Maybe it does. Get the damn camera to focus here. So this is an 8-cut key, and you just see the channel is cut as deep as possible all the way down it, and that is a 1 cut. And then from here, see, this is our 3, 2, 4 side. So 4 is the shallowest, and then you got a 1 cut all the way to the end of the key, which just allows it to go into the lock. So I guess that's really all I have on the 9-cut Lishi. Stay tuned here. I'll be doing the 10-cut videos next. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share, all that fun stuff, and I'll talk to everybody later.